I'm still mad. I said, I'm still mad. And then she said, and then he said, it's okay, no problem, no problem. And that's the way we are fighting. But sometimes and also there's a time that he is the one who's calling me every time if there is like 2 days that I didn't say good morning. I didn't say good morning. And then he just keep silent. And then uh later on he's going to say, I missed you. I miss you. Are you still mad or something like that? You know. And then it's just, maybe that's a married thing. A marriage thing. It should be both of you should not both high temper at the same time, because there is a time that if we are a high temper at the same time, for me, I just drop the call. I just drop the call. No sign, no warning, just drop the call. And then later on, I receive him messaging, explaining things.